Now, the second Supreme Court judge in the trial of former Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has voted to convict him.
And this is with three others yet to give their verdicts. Jair Bolsonaro, who is accused of criminal conspiracy to overturn the 2022 elections in Brazil, would be facing over 40 years of prison term if he is convicted. Now, Brazil's Supreme Court Justice Flavio Dino observed that crimes against the democratic rule of law are political crimes and are not subject to amnesty.
Crimes against the democratic rule of law are political crimes and are not subject to amnesty, since the democratic rule of law is an unalterable clause that not even the National Congress can abolish by amendment.
Now, Supreme Court Justice Alexander de Moraes, who was the first to cast votes, said that Brazil nearly returned to dictatorship after 40 years of democracy. He also added that evidence showed the accused in the case were part of a criminal organization led by Bolsonaro. However, the lawyer of former president stated that he disagreed with the two Brazilian Supreme Court justices who voted.
Today, we heard two votes, and as you know, we do not agree with these votes. Respectfully, we will always respect the Supreme Court's decision, but we do not agree. I think the preliminary questions were very well explained. We disagree with the merit analysis, but we will wait for the trial procedure. I think that's it. For today, that's it.
Bolsonaro's key ally, US President Donald Trump, had called the trial a witch hunt. He had also slapped a 50% tariff on many imports from Brazil as punishment. But now, citing the trial, White House US administration views free speech as a top priority.
Bolsonaro, who served a single term from 2019 to 2022, stands accused of leading a criminal organization that conspired to overthrow current President Lula da Silva. He is accused of inciting the violent 2023 storming of the Supreme Court, Presidential Palace and Congress in Brasilia by hundreds of supporters who urged the military to oust Lula da Silva.